Tired of waiting for your crypto to arrive? Want to access your Beam wallet funds quickly and easily? You're in the right place. Let's be honest, sometimes you just need your cash now. Whether it's for that emergency pizza run or a much-needed vacation, knowing how to withdraw your Beam wallet funds is a crucial skill. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process, making it easier than ever to get your hands on your hard-earned crypto. Beam Wallet is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency wallet designed for the Beam blockchain. It offers enhanced privacy features like shielded transactions, making your financial activities more discreet. But what good is privacy if you can't access your funds? That's where withdrawals come in. Step 1. Check withdrawal options. Before you dive in, it's essential to check the available withdrawal options within your region. Beam Wallet may support various methods, including bank transfers, cryptocurrency exchanges, and potentially even peer-to-peer platforms. Explore the options within your wallet settings to find the most convenient method for you. Step 2. Choose your withdrawal method. Once you've identified your preferred withdrawal method, select it within the Beam Wallet interface. You'll likely be prompted to enter the necessary details, such as your bank account information or the receiving cryptocurrency address. Step 3. Enter withdrawal amount. Specify the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure you have sufficient funds in your Beam wallet to cover the withdrawal amount and any applicable fees. Double-check the amount to avoid any errors. Step 4. Confirm and submit. Carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once you're confident, proceed to the confirmation screen. Double-check everything again, then click Submit or the equivalent button within the Beam Wallet interface. Step 5. Wait for processing. After submitting your withdrawal request, allow some time for processing. The processing time will vary depending on the chosen withdrawal method. Bank transfers can take a few business days, while cryptocurrency withdrawals may be much faster. Step 6. Track your withdrawal. Most wallets provide a transaction history section where you can track the status of your withdrawal. Use this feature to monitor the progress and ensure your funds have been successfully transferred. Troubleshooting. If you encounter any issues during the withdrawal process, refer to Beam Wallet's official documentation or contact their support team for assistance. They can help you troubleshoot any problems and guide you through the necessary steps. Safety and security. Always prioritize security when withdrawing funds. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and be wary of phishing attempts. Never share your private keys or seed phrase with anyone. Withdrawing funds from your Beam wallet doesn't have to be complicated. By following these steps and prioritizing security, you can easily access your funds whenever you need them. Remember to always double-check all information before submitting your withdrawal request. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.